bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, I hope we're all doing awesome, and I hope we are ready to start crafting. We are going to be doing the Dollar Tree DIY videos that I told you guys. Today I decided to do this magnificent, beautiful file folder. If you guys haven't watched my Dollar Tree video that I show you guys on supplies that I love to use and I always go to when I'm at the Dollar Tree, I'm going to link that video at the bottom of this video, and I just give you a broad idea of the supplies that I love to use and that I love to go back to and I love to craft with. So in that video I mentioned this file folder, so I'm going to create some awesome tags using this file folder, and I hope that this is going to give you guys some ideas and some inspiration. Okay, so this is a tag that this is the file folder that we're going to use. Dollar Tree has millions of different designs, millions of different textures and colors and shapes, and just a whole bunch of different things. Not only the Dollar Tree has these, you can also get them from Target. I'm gonna have another video after this one showing you the ones that I got at Target and how magnificent the embellishment turned out. So we're using this one today, okay, and we're going to create some tags. So I have them here ready for you because obviously I want to save some time and I don't want to make this video super long. So I created these tags earlier and I just thought they came out so adorable, so cute. I love them. Just so cute. Aren't they adorable? They're so awesome. And I love this one that I created, which has like kind of double dimensions. Like, it's really super cute. And can we just talk about the button? How freaking adorable is the button? Okay, I made those. I also made these with smaller tags, shipping tags. And then I made these with a garment tag that I had from a blouse that I bought. I love the size of this little garment tag, so I kept it and I use it as a sample. So this is a great idea. If you don't have tags, use some garment tags. They're awesome to use as samples. I have gazillions of them. To be honest with you, I prefer using garment tags than actual tags themselves. Okay, so let's create something really fast and quick. I love this pink one. I just did this one recently. Oh my gosh, how freaking adorable is this? How cute. The difference between this one and this one is I backed this one with a white background, but on the back you have this gorgeous foil, okay? With this one, I backed it with this beautiful pink background, and it's just simple and black and white on the back. The papers that I use for both of these is from this pad from Michaels. You guys know I made a whole video on this. I have gazillions of these, and I thought these papers were really pretty, so I picked papers from this pad. Okay? So let me show you really quickly how to create these tags in no time. So here I have two tags that I want to create with you guys. So we have this one that I just cut out. We have this one that's going to be the background. And we have this one that I kind of put together already, but it's simple. The tag that we cut out, the background, and then I hang a little bit of the twine on the top. Okay, the twine that I'm using is also from the Dollar Tree. Again, this was part of my haul, my Crafty favorites, and again, so helpful, so cheap, so awesome. It's great. So what I did was I have a sample here of my tag. I measured this against my file folder. Basically, I just measured it to size. I cut it, trimmed it, made a hole in the middle. You can get your punch hole also at the Dollar Tree. Boom, we're done. Did the same thing with this one. Okay? So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make a little hole for the pink one because I don't have a hole there. And we're going to put this one together. Okay? So I have here my twine. And I just basically run it through both tags. Okay. Now, the next step is optional. You don't have to do this. I personally like doing it because I don't like my tag to be like moving around. So what I like to do is I like to go in with my little mini stapler and just staple a little staple right in the center. Again, it's optional. You don't have to do this. If you don't want to, it's up to you. By this time, it's perfect for you to look at your tag and see if you need to trim anything out, see if you need to cut any extra little, you know, things that are sticking out. I'm gonna trim a little bit the bottom, and I think my tag is perfectly fine the way it is. Okay, this one we're also going to work together as well. Okay, let's put these on the side so we don't get confused. All right, so how am I going to decorate my tags? Very simple. I go into my Dollar Tree buttons. Okay, you see the trends here, right? Dollar Tree. By the way, I'm not being sponsored by Dollar Tree. I'm not getting any money or any supplies. Everything that you see here is supplies that I have purchased with my own money. I'm not like trying to make you guys buy this thing because I'm sponsored by them. However, if you guys want to sponsor me, well, give me a call. But I'm not being sponsored by anyone, okay? Okay, let's get started. I am simply just going to add some fantastic little buttons on the side of my tag and call it a day. Why? Because I want to make this simple and easy. I don't want to make this too complicated. I don't want to make this too difficult to create. And the simpler, the better, right? Okay, perfect. That's going to go there. This one is going to go here, just like that. See that? I don't like this one. This is too like thick in width. So let's find another one. As if I don't have a lot to find. That's pretty right there. But now I think these two are too much similar in color. How about if we do the white one? Bam! That looks nice, right? Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's do that. So what do I do to attach my little buttons? You can use hot glue if you want to. I don't suggest to use hot glue. I don't know exactly how well the hot glue is going to stick to the plastic. So I'm using, again, for the Dollar Tree, these glue dots that I also showed you guys in my video that I love to use. And I'm going to adhere them with this glue dots. These dots are like super strong. I don't know what they put in this thing, but my goodness, they are like the strongest glue dots ever. And your project will not fall apart, guarantee you. So I just add the little glue dot on the back of my button. I rub it a little bit and then very carefully tear out the little plastic and just glue this down. All right, so let's do that for the rest of our buttons. Now, if your glue gun, oh, I'm sorry, not glue gun. If your glue dots are bigger than your button, all you gotta do is just, you know, cut them in half. These are so simple to trim. So trim them in half. Okay. And the first tag is basically complete. See that? How adorable is that? Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. These are so great for Happy Mails and for gift tags. Oh my goodness. Your snail mail partner will be excited to receive a tag like this. I know I would be. Okay, we got 2 more to go. We're gonna finish it off by creating a nice little bow. And then we are basically done. See, like this one, this glue dot is definitely bigger than my button. So I'm gonna come in here with my scissors. I'm gonna trim this so I can fit it to size. Make sure you trim your glue dot with the plastic adhere to it, okay? Don't make the mistake that I did. Don't peel off this plastic until you cut it, because you will have a mess. Okay, there you go, guys. Look how cute this looks. How adorable is that? The last thing I'm going to do is to dress up my tag. I'm going to make a nice little bow using these this twine. Here's one bow. Here's another bow. Okay, and I'm gonna just add my bow right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna use the glue dots. For this one, I'm going to cut the glue dots in half, okay? Because the bow obviously is not that big. And these do adhere very well to the twine. Okay, just make sure you rub it really well. Peel it off very carefully. And then you're going to add your bow to wherever you want to add it. I'm going to add my bow right there. Bam! Look at that, how cute that looks. You could trim off the extras if you want. And there you have it. How freaking adorable is this? I love it. It's so cute. Let's do the same thing with this one, but let's make up the bow a little smaller because this tag is a little bit smaller in size. You don't want the bow to be gigantic. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Trim this off. I'm going to add this baby right here. I'm going to get some glue dots. And then we're basically done. Cut this in half. And there you have it. That's how you create these simple tags with Dollar Tree supplies. Tell me how simple that was. And easy, right? And so cute. So cute. I don't know how many tags you can make out of one file folder, but I can only imagine you can probably make a good 7 to 8, maybe 9 tags depending on the size of the tag that you're making. But that's what you're going to do, guys. That's what you're going to basically get. I just love how these turned out. I really am super excited. I think they turned out so adorable. Now, what I also did with this one is, let me show you really quickly. I know we're running out of time, but I want to show you. With this one, I didn't really do anything. The only thing I did was I used the regular shipping tag for this one. Let me show you really quick so you can see and you can have different ideas of what you can do. What I did was I went ahead and I trimmed, see, I trimmed part of the design of the file folder, okay? So you can just pick whatever design you like from your file folder and you kind of just fuzzy cut it around. That's what I did. You can fuzzy cut this out, okay? And then what you do is, with an extra paper, when you fuzzy cut it, you also fuzzy cut a background to it. So this way, when you glue this down to your tag, it's visual, it shows. That's what I did with this one right here. You see that? These are really cute, I love it. So what I did was I basically fuzzy cut my little embellishment. I fuzzy cut the little piece. What I did was I basically used my little stapler and I stapled one end, staple the other end, and then what I did was, here, let's put this tag together. See that? I use dimensions on these so I can kind of give it a nice little lift, okay? So the dimensions that I'm using are from the, where? Dollar Tree, that's right. Okay, dimensions in the back. Just like that. See that? And this is just an idea. You guys can go crazy with this, obviously. This is just giving you, I'm giving you like, just an idea, and I just want you to go crazy with this. So add your little, you know, embellishment wherever you want. I'm gonna add it right here on the side. See that? Just like that on the side of my tag. And then I'm gonna come in here in my little button bow, and I'm just gonna find something that I kind of like to add to my tag, which maybe that's cute right there. And maybe, actually maybe we can add this one here, and we can probably add this little one there. Yep, that's cute. We'll do that. Now in this case you can use hot glue, because obviously we're talking about paper here, right? So we can use hot glue in this case. Let me grab my hot glue real quick, and then I think we're basically done with this part of the tutorial. I know this video is super long, but I don't want to, like, I want to take my time with these videos, and I want to show you guys how easy it is to create them. This video is intended for people who are just starting to, you know, craft. So I don't want to rush, you know what I mean? A lot of you guys are okay with me making long videos. Some of you guys are not okay with that. But you know, if you're not okay with me making long videos, you might not want to watch these videos. But I'm a person that I like to visualize what I see. So I'm thinking to myself, you know, well, you know, I like to see what I'm doing. I don't like you explaining to me what I'm doing. I like to visualize and see exactly what it is that you're doing. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe someone else is the same as me, right? So that's basically it. That's all you do. Now you can go back later and maybe add like a nice little, I don't know, message here, add a sticker, add more buttons, whatever it is that you want to do. But that's how I create these dimensional looking tags, which I think they're super freaking adorable. I really love these. Okay, my loves, I hope that this video will help someone who is in the need of maybe getting some inspiration and some ideas on how to create awesome crafty things for your projects. I'm going to be doing another video with you guys showing you how to make embellishments using the Target folders, which they are freaking adorable, and I think you're going to love that. So I'll do that next, okay? I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Let me know if you guys like these videos. I know they're super long, but I'm hoping that you guys are okay with that. If you are okay with that, I'm going to continue to create more DIY projects using the Dollar Tree supplies. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Let me know. Tell me in the bottom what you guys think about these tags, and if you will create them, and if you think it's not such a bad idea. Love you all. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you back in maybe a few minutes. I'm going to probably do another video for you guys. Love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye.